update on my vlog. So basically, I'm just getting to bed ready. Getting up comfy and yeah. Got my hair. So I'm just waiting for people to say goodnight. Oh God. I'm pretty tired, guys. Night.